Hey guys, if you're liking Done Right by Dad Productions, give me a like, give me a subscribe, ring that bell notification, help out my channel. I'm going to try and keep on helping you guys out with all different kinds of things. Stay tuned. Today on Done Right by Dad Productions, we're talking grinders, sticky grinders, and how to get that fixed with no chemicals. So, you use your grinder, it gets all gummy, sticky, hard to turn, won't turn very good anymore. So what I do is I get a pot of boiling water, right? Put a little butter in here, because butter emulsifies the THC, makes it all gooey, and you just throw it in there. A little bit more water, make sure that's under water. And then as you can see, that butter does emulsify it and clean it perfect. Everything will be left off of there. Gotta get back boiling again, had to add more water. And there you have it, all boiled out. And then what I do is take Q-tips after to get this stuff out and just wipe it out. But if you can get your grinder cleaner than that, naturally, without scraping it, I mean, that's pretty clean, right? A little bit on the outside to rub off with the Q-tip, but no chemicals needed. Just butter. Perfectly clean. Ready to go again. Turns. No problem. Awesome.